This is the iPod mini. Released back in 2004, it was the middle ground in Apple's current MP3 player lineup. Now, I personally loved the design of this device, and it's arguably one of my favourite iPods in existence. But others may find that its successor, the iPod Nano, sports a much easier to carry and slimmer design. But the mini just feels so robust in the hand, and has a feel of solidity that, quite frankly, I don't feel in newer Apple devices. But moving on, the mini supports that iconic 30-pin dock connector, still a legendary port to this day, a click wheel, although it doesn't physically move, it's still satisfying to use, with 4GB of storage to hold all of your music. And although this may sound like a small amount to most people, 4GB is what I've found to be plenty for a music collection. Although people have hacked these things to have CF cards which can carry a whopping 256GB of storage. Some extras on the iPod include a clock, contacts which can be imported from your computer, a calendar, notes which can also be imported, and games such as Brick, Music Quiz, Parachute, and Solitaire. Overall, this device has aged considerably well, and I even use it to store all of my music library for when I'm on the go. I'm Owen, thanks for watching this video guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I would also really quickly like to thank you all for 300 subscribers. That's just incredible, and the 300 subscriber special will be coming soon, so stay tuned.